chicken thighs in bell pepper. Ingredients: marinated chicken thighs, bell pepper, onions, garlic, ginger, cornstarch, chicken powder, sweet soy sauce. Add cornstarch to the marinated chicken thighs and fry until golden brown and set aside. Sauté garlic and onions. Add bell pepper. Add chicken powder according to your taste. Add water enough to cook bell pepper. Add fried chicken thighs. Cook for 2 minutes. Add drops of sweet soy sauce for more delicious taste. Easy, simple, delicious chicken thighs with bell pepper. For more videos of my chicken recipes, just click the description box. If you like this recipe, like, share and subscribe. Simple Western and Asian menu. Thank you for watching my cooking videos.